Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Guys, we got a super rare summon gear a couple of days ago. We haven't been able to try it out, so I'm outside. I have some tiny bit of spare time. We're gonna try it out. Walking along the street while playing Pokemon. Not a good idea, guys. But let's just look for that Whirlpool gear. Kind. This one, guys. Super rare Whirlpool gear of WAILORD. Prevents opponents from moving and keeps dealing damage for a certain period of time. Sounds very, very helpful. Unfortunately, the damage couldn't go super high and my internet is now having issues. It would be good if this is super strong, but only 924, guys. But looks cool, looks powerful. We like damage dealing, continuous damage dealing summon gears, guys. There's only 3 as far as I know in existence. One is Charizard Flamethrower gear. Second one is Muck, the real Muck. Sludge gear, or was it Sludge Wave? I think Sludge, the real one, because you receive a Muck for free and it doesn't have that effect, and I don't have the real one. And the third one is this. Now thing about this, guys, it also has a flinch effect, and that flinching effect plus the continuous damage effect, this is the first of its kind. And the internet, my area right now doesn't have a strong connection, so pardon me as we try this. And I'm approaching a restaurant, gonna order some food. But let's try it out first. I wonder how many we need to kill. 1, 3. Is it also 6? Or was it 8? I think it's 8, guys. You know what? Let's just... Whoa! That looks cool! That looks insanely cool. Unlike Fire Fang, which has a very, very ordinary animation, this one actually looks cool. Bind. Did you see that? Bind. Bind. Interesting. And another weird word comes out when you fight against Wobbuffet. I forgot the term. Just saw a kitty now and he's limping. I am so feeling sorry for this kitty. Meow meow. Meow meow. Feeling sorry for this limping cat. Oh, he's rubbing his face against my foot. Ah, it's so cute. Ah. 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 Okay, guys, one more try. Oh my gosh, he's rubbing his entire body on my foot. That's so sweet. But he's marking his territory, but it's so sweet though. Oh my gosh, now he's after my knee. Oh my gosh. So very possessive kitty. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, try it out. Try it out. Expecting. Oh, nga. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Update later. I won't finish any more stages, any more super bosses. We hope to get another summon gear.